hot sunny day, a thirsty fox was searching for water. He saw a big well nearby and peeped into it. Suddenly, he slipped and fell into the well. He tried his best to come out, but could not. Just then, a thirsty goat also came to the well. He looked down and was surprised to see the fox in the water. "What are you doing down there?" asked the goat. The fox replied that he was enjoying the cool and sweet water. He invited the goat to come in and taste it. The goat believed the fox. He could not understand the real motive of the fox behind it. So the foolish goat thoughtlessly jumped into the water. The cunning fox at once climbed up on the goat's back and came out of the well easily. The fox ran away from that place before the poor goat could realize that he had been fooled. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. A town mouse and a country mouse were friends. One day, the country mouse invited his friend to his home for dinner. The town mouse did not like the roots and vegetables that he was offered and said, "Dear friend, you should come with me. I promise you that you will enjoy the food we get in town." The country mouse went along with the town mouse. The town mouse took his friend to the pantry where he lived. It was full of delicious food, flour, oatmeal, figs, and so many other things. The country mouse immediately sat down to enjoy the delicacies. But soon, someone or the other would come in to take out food or keep more food there. The mice had to hide time and again. The country mouse got irritated and said, "I cannot live in such a place. You may have many delicacies, but I am happy in my countryside. I enjoy my simple dinner without anyone disturbing me. So goodbye." The Elephant and His Friends. One day, an elephant wandered into the forest in search of friends. He saw a monkey on a tree and asked, "Will you be my friend?" The monkey replied, "No, you are too big and cannot swing on trees." Next, the elephant met a rabbit, but the rabbit also refused and said, "No, you cannot play in the burrow with me." Slowly, all the animals in the jungle refused to be friends with the elephant. Next day, the elephant saw all the animals running for their lives. He asked them why they were running. A bear replied, "There is a tiger in the forest. He will eat all of us." The elephant walked up to the tiger and said, "Please do not eat up those poor animals." But the tiger growled and refused. The elephant got angry and gave the tiger a hard kick. The frightened tiger ran for his life. All the animals thanked the elephant and became his friends. The Hungry Wolf. Once there was a very hungry wolf. It looked for food here and there, but could not get any. The wolf started getting very restless. At last, it found a big loaf of bread, a large piece of meat, and a few smoked fishes in the hole of a tree. The hungry wolf became very happy. It squeezed into the hole and ate all the food. It was a woodcutter's lunch that the wolf ate. The woodcutter was on his way back to the tree to have his meal when he saw that there was a wolf inside the hole. On seeing the woodcutter, the wolf got scared and tried to get out of the hole. But all its efforts went waste and the wolf could not get out of the hole since its tummy was swollen with all the food that it had eaten. The woodcutter caught the wolf and gave it a nice thrashing.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.